Hello students. In the session 9 of Corporate Accounting Unit 2 of Company Final Accounts, we will be discussing about meaning, objectives and components of financial statements. Final accounts are the end product of accounting system prepared with intention to judge the financial position of a business. It consists of statement of profit and loss account and balance sheet. These are the financial statements of a company. Every company, like any other business entities, must prepare final accounts or financial statements periodically. However, the uniqueness in case of companies is the preparation of financial statements is governed by the following. One being Schedule 3 of the Companies Act of 2013, and there is also other statutory requirements which compels the companies to prepare financial statements in a certain manner, and there are also accounting standards notified by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs for preparing these financial statements, and there are statements and guidance notes which are issued time to time by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. So, financial statements are are a compilation of financial data collected and classified in a systematic manner according to the accounting principles to assess the financial position of an enterprise as regards to its profitability, operational efficiency, long-term and short-term solvency, and to have a better understanding about their growth potential. Financial statements provide information about the financial position or the financial performance and cash flows of a enterprise, which is very useful for a wide range of users in making timely, efficient and effective economic decisions. It means to show the results of the stewardship of the management or accountability of management or the accountability of the company for the resources entrusted to it. Now let's have a look at the components of financial statement. Financial statements comprises of number of statements which are prepared at the end of each financial year to assess the various financial activities and also to assess the strength of an enterprise. Financial statements which are prepared by a company comprise of income statement, balance sheet and statement of changes in financial position, which is denoted in financial statement of a company. Now let's have a quick look at the object statements. To judge effectiveness of a management, financial statements are important. Information about activities of business affecting the society. Disclosing accounting policies to provide information about economic resources and obligations of a business. As per Section 129 of the Companies Act of 2013, the Schedule 3 is applicable from 1/4/2014. Now let us see what does this schedule tell us. Schedule 3 has two main major points, one being balance sheet, the other is profit and loss account. So part 1 of schedule 3 speaks about the form of balance sheet to be followed, and part 2 of the schedule 3 speaks about the form of statement of profit and loss account. Under balance sheet, like we generally used to we have two main heads, one being equity and liabilities and the other being assets. So under equities and liabilities, there are four major heads which had to be represented in every balance sheet of a company. They are shareholders fund, the second being share application money pending allotment, and the third and fourth being non-current liabilities and current liabilities. Under assets, there are two major components which have to be present, they being current assets and non-current assets.